Thank you, but it's okay like this.
Why?
Because I like mushroom, but only the Italian mushroom that I know very well.
It's not possible. I eat chicken cacciatore only with the mushroom.
Okay, let's do like this. So now I will make the chicken cacciatore
Bravo.
without. At the end we divide the chicken, and
Bravo.
half we do with, and half we do without.
Okay, okay.
And let's taste it. So if you want to find the mushroom recipe, you can find it on his channel. At the end I show you. So after the intro I will explain you all the ingredients. Okay, we already spoke about the mushroom. You need also a piece of chicken. I will use the breast. 3 or 4 spring onion. We will cut and use also the green part. A clove of garlic. 4 olives. I will use the big one. Remember to remove the stone, that in this way nobody broken the teeth. You can use also 5 capers. This one is the one that I collect in Greece and put in the salt. Small cherry tomatoes, half yellow pepper, plus you need extra virgin olive oil, and if you like sunflower to use with the chicken. So now we put the oil in the pot, the garlic. When the garlic starts a little bit of brown color, we remove it. We add the chicken, only a few minutes. We remove the chicken, and after we add all the vegetables. When the vegetables are soft, we add the chicken and we cook everything together a little bit. After, we keep half of the chicken without the mushroom, and we will add the mushroom in the other half, and we cook a little bit in the way that the mushroom give little bit of taste to the chicken. And after we will check if it's better without mushroom, or like the Uomo di Casa say, with mushroom. Okay guys, without mushroom spectacular, with a mushroom is good, but I prefer without mushroom.
I say that it's good without mushroom, but it's better with the mushroom.
Okay guys, if you try, let us know the result. You can follow the recipe of the mushroom, remember, on the channel of the L'UOMO di Casa. You will find the link down in the comments. Remember to let us know what is better, to leave us I like it, and to watch all the other videos. Bye bye!
Bye.